we're here at Buc-ee's in Madisonville. We're on our way to the drop off the giveaway. And before we left, we asked Alex if he was properly strapped everything.
Put it up here.
And look at this. The straps are loose. Luckily, we were only an hour away. You know, we had confidence in Alex, but apparently not enough.
Damn it, boy.
What my ass.
O no lo tiene, güey, a la verga. Ya está corrida la verga. Ya está leído. Estás leído, compa. Estás fired. No, estás, ¿cómo se dice cuando los corres ya completamente? Terminated. Estás terminated. Espérate, me vas a quebrar. Lo vas a quebrar y te vas a caer. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm out here with Tiny. On our way to Dallas, Fort Worth. Same.
Yeah, same. You guys get offended, but Pasadena, South Houston.
Houston, Baytown, H-Town.
Yeah.
Vamos a ver, compa, Beto Hinojosa.
Beto Hinojosa, we're on our way to you. I just texted you that we're 2 hours, 30 minutes away. Giving you the truck today. Today.
Damn, special delivery, todo el pedo.
Special delivery.
Damn.
But not everybody's gonna get that because if next winner who wins it, say he's California, Oklahoma.
Oklahoma you can do.
We'll think about it, you know. But yeah, usually far distances like that.
We've just been busy with all the third Thanksgiving.
We actually, this is actually 2 weeks after we gave it away because we've been real busy. And we just, our schedules really didn't
week and a half.
It's been a week and a half since he won it, but we've been real busy. So luckily today is when we have time to give it to him. So we're getting that done today. And then next week, tomorrow we have busy. So we're going and coming back the same day because we're busy the next few days. Yeah. Next week we still got some meetings in the valley. We got a whole bunch of shit going on. Then we got Christmas. So we're booked for the next month or so.
We told the guy too if he wanted to come and pick it up, and he wanted us to deliver it. So we're like, all right, we can deliver it next week, and here it is. Here we are.
So yeah, we still got a couple more hours to go. So
yeah,
I'm gonna go inside Buc-ee's right here, probably give me a sandwich because Beto didn't let me eat breakfast.
Un Red Bull.
Beto Hinojosa.
Hinojosa.
The H is silent.
Yeah.
Hinojosa.
Like Django, the D is silent.
Yeah.
Berto Hinojosa.
¿A dónde se ve el chingo carro de van a estar a la verga?
I told him when we were an hour and a half away.
Oh, you haven't told him? Oh.
Yeah, that was the last time I told him.
¿Te sigo dando?
Sí, güey, síguele dando.
Ya está el CSV.
Yo creo que sí, güey.
Ay, esa es la verga, bata.
Sí.
Ahí están afuera, la verga tiene toda la... Mira, chinga, madre. Fuck. ¿Dónde vamos a parquear a la verga? ¿Y tú qué madre? A la verga.
Aquí, no, en el medio de la calle. Ya lo vamos a ver. So we could at least pull up right there.
Fucking hey, man.
¿Cuál es el vato que se la ganó?
Este de negro, güey.
Which one?
The one right here behind the bush, you can't see him.
Oh, he even bought a fucking truck. Ay, mero la verga. Ese es. Es el Sox.
Lo bajamos, esperamos.
Sí, la verga. Go time. We're here.
We're here. He's right there outside. Look, he's wearing the giveaway shirt. But I don't know if we should get off or just kind of let him sweat it out a little bit. Alex already got off, but man, we're here at a tight parking spot. So
where we at?
We're in Fort Worth, Texas. Let's go. Here down. Congratulations, bro.
How's it going? Looking good.
You're the winner?
Yeah, bro.
Congratulations, dog. Oh.
Ready to see the truck or what?
Yeah, bro.
Come on.
Hello.
What you think?
Bro, I didn't fucking believe it, bro. No. O sea, hasta que la mira aquí, o sea.
Nos tardamos un poco, pero pues andamos ocupados.
I know, bro.
Andamos ocupadillos, pero pues ahorita se puede echar la vuelta ahorita y aquí está la motherfucker. Ahorita la bajamos para que la mires bien.
So we're here in Fort Worth, Texas. We're here with the winner of the giveaway. It's like I said earlier, it's been a week and a half since he won it. We finally had time to bring it to him personally. Here's the winner, my boy Berto. What you think about the truck, bro? Ready to see it, man?
ready, bro. Been waiting for it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Now straight, straight. Oh. The other way, the other way. Hey, straight. Slow, slow. Ahí. Por ahí.
Man, it's just nice, bro.
Adelante nuestra música, sigan disfrutando nuestra canción para ustedes. Esto se llama El nombre del Chamo, para todos los amigos presentes, para Adrián, especialmente para Ari y especialmente para Pancho. Pancho Colombia, dice así.
¿Una troca igual o qué?
Aquella que tengo allá en el driveway.
Oh, ok, la OBS. Este es el epicenter para la banda, güey. Este es el regular bass knob. So when you have banda, güey, hay que subirle aquí poquito. This one have like a little bit over half, y luego de ahí le subes este. Pero cuando es rap, nomás le mueves.
I thought a bro nigga said something. Run it up, what she say? I thought a pussy hoe said something. Hundreds and fifties, can't swap a dime for a penny. You know that's a stupid decision.
Yeah, even at NXT over there at Conroe or whatever, our shows this Saturday coming up. Yeah, and in the front.
We have the back kick.
All the other people about to show up now with their trucks.
What's up, bro?
What's up, what's up?
That's how it is here in 4-4.
Where?
4-4? How do you say it? 4-4? 4-4? I don't know. We're out here somewhere in Dallas, you know?
We got beef, bro.
I guess it's not the same
It's not the same thing. All I know is we had a long night last night, and we were supposed to leave at 9 in the morning, Houston. We didn't leave till 12, right in a little bit of sleep. But yeah, we're here. Finally dropped off the giveaway. Make sure you shop onthegas.com because we have the third giveaway in action right now. It's gonna be a SS clone on billets. We're still working on a whole bunch of stuff on it. You'll see videos coming up pretty soon on that one. So stay tuned for all that.
You can't even believe it, bro.
How do you feel?
Man, it's like unreal, bro. It's like
What'd you buy?
a t-shirt y luego the sticker that's on the back of my test truck.
Y luego
That's it.
también. No, esta troca es de aquí.
It's aquí.
Hang on, tell taco.
¿Cuánta otra troquita que tiene?
Yeah, that's the one that I've been working on.
Reverse, Paul? 10.
Yeah.
12?
12s. We'll put the rotors, and then I was telling you I was doing the same interior as the giveaway.
Oh, está
It's
diciendo.
the same color.
Ah,
Es de aquí, güey. Es de aquí.
That's why I was like, I wanted to better you, Frank. It was like,
Perfect match.
ahorita I got this painting candy.
Sorry, Frank.
Green candy orange like that little model truck.
Ok, ok. Dame. No, pues. Esta es la Little Sis. No, ¿qué es la Little Sis? Esta es la Oscar. ¿No?
so there it is. He bought a shirt and a sticker. Won himself a $35,000 truck. You could be the next winner.
So that's one of the out of North Shore, man, the Pine Trails.
No shit.
Yeah.
That's where the fuck I'm from.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy.
He got money.
That's crazy.
All right, guys. So we're here. We dropped off the truck to Berto. And a special shout out to the Gonzalez brothers giving us cash to give to homeboy to wash the truck, take his wife out to eat, or whatever he wants to do with it. So we got the cash right here. It's going to him.
I want to shout out to the Gonzalez brothers. Thank you, brothers.
Thank you. They helped us out on this. They said, you know what, we like your movement, so we're gonna give you $2,000 to give to whoever wins the truck, just to have a little pocket change in his pocket.
What's up? Mira, pa' Beto.
They have to do all that, bro.
Mira.
And for you, bro.
That's
You put my fucking name on it, man.
For you fucking us, hijo.
Ahí está tu 20 bolas, güey.
Porque he couldn't get the truck for 20. You thought about it when he said 16.
No.
We heard you. We're like,
He doesn't want to answer unknown calls.
You don't want to answer on call. Hey, what's up? This a whole ass nigga called Beto Hinojosa. Hey, what's going on, baby? It's your boy Machete, Tiny, Frank, Alex, and Frank right here on the gas, baby. Yeah, you fucking won the truck, player.
For real?
Nah, for fake, nigga. Yeah, for real. Yeah, you're the lucky winner for the truck, baby.
¿Tiene FaceTime, Lado?
You got FaceTime?
¿Tiene WhatsApp? Well, I want to ask him something. That's why.
what do you want to ask?
Yeah.
Hey, bro. You want the truck or you want the cash?
Fuck the cash. I'll take it.
Wait.
How about, all right, look, it's 10,000 to 2,000. Well, it's 10,000 or the truck.
Bro.
All right,
The truck is worth more than 10,000.
12,000,
Nah, I'll take the truck, brother.
14,000,
The truck, brother. The truck.
16,000.
So what the money? I just fucking stopped watching because I thought somebody else had won it. Oh, no, verga.
16 racks or the truck.
I'll take the truck.
18.
The truck, bro. The truck.
Final offer, 20,000.
Cash.
Cash.
Truck. La troca, carnal.
Damn.
boy.
That motherfucker's leaving.
Okay, so you won the truck and $2,000 on top.
So you're in Fort Worth. Which up? Yeah. When can we drop it off? When can
bro. You want us to drop it off, or you want to come get it?
Shit, I can swing by fucking tonight and go get that motherfucker.
Okay, we wait for you.
I got,
You got a trailer?
tonight or tomorrow in the morning.
You got a trailer?
You think it'll make it over? I'm pretty sure I can get a trailer.
Yeah, it'll be better if you get a trailer, which is, I mean, it has a low pro tire, but más para que llegue
Safe.
bien, yeah.
Or you want us to deliver it?
Or I mean, we can deliver it.
Yeah, if I can deliver it, that's fine with me too.
We'll be in contact, bro. Congratulations.
Congratulations, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Órale, güey, ya está.
For real, lo que pasa que lo que pasó, bro, que we said 16. I didn't thought about it. I know I wanted to turn no matter what.
Yeah.
Nomás que no me la creía. That's why I was like, su pinche madre aquí. Like, I thought somebody else had won it. That's what I said. But nah, I was going straight for the truck. I didn't give a shit about the money.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't want the money. I want the truck.
We thought someone would have taken the cash because 20 grand is a lot of money.
It is.
Yeah.
Money.
Well, a lot of youngsters were like, man, so I was like, well, that's probably what I got on that bitch right now.
Yeah.
They don't even know nothing like that
Sí,
one.
güey, no te armas uno conmigo.
You won't build one where they have 20 grand.
Because people was like, oh, you could have, built it now. I said, fuck, no, you can't.
Not for 20 grand. Not for 20. But times are hard right now. But 20 grand is 20 grand. You know, if you got bills to pay and shit.
The guy that did the back bags on it and fixed the front, I mean, he quoted me $18,000 just on the bag system. So you could already imagine what his work cost.
I was telling y'all right, I was like, man, they had to put about almost, because I brought la troca la nevera for 15, 20 stacks. Because it's all the stack of money I had. And I was like, Beto and they had to put about almost 20K in that bitch. Because that truck is worth about 35 or 40 grand.
35.
Easy.
35.
Entonces costó 20. Y por los purrinos le había costado al camarada 7,000, 7,500.
Yeah, the boys.
Y luego, I paid 15 more, pero con descuento, güey. O sea,
Yeah,
it
with
was,
hookups.
it was 35,000 in total con hookups. I mean, we still paid.
Yeah,
but
if
it
you go
was-
somebody off the street.
Yeah,
40, 45 easy.
Yeah. We're gonna do the links, and dude's like, you know what, I'm gonna do everything because I don't like how it looks. I was like, fuck, I can do everything. Para que se vaya machín.
No, I seen the quality work, bro, and I was like, no. I was like, somebody else wanted it better than Frank, bro. Like,
Yeah.
I know it was like, that's what I said, hey, but Frank, I got something from Frank.
And he wanted to keep it for him.
No sé, we did.
There you go.
Yeah, he wanted to keep it for himself, Frank.
Yeah, I know. Didn't happen though, so.
I'll sell you mine. 10K.
10K.
Tú como habla, como
Yeah,
quieras.
no.
Take it around the block.
Oh, well, I will ahorita. Pero tengo que estar curviadito porque the other one is like drop to the floor también, so I gotta go like.
Like at an angle each time.
Sí. No, pues está bueno, compa. Ahí
No, ahí
estamos.
estamos.
Felicidades,
Ahí estamos.
Ojalá te haya gustado la troca.
Sí, estamos Frank.
Thank you for the food.
Ahorita ya no van para llevar ni nada, güey.
No, we're good, bro. Appreciate it.
Soda,
Thank you for the
algo.
bottles. No.
Ya. Muchas gracias por las botellas.
Nada, bro.
Thank you for participating. Congratulations. I mean, hopefully, like I said, the second one's in action right now. ShopOnTheGas.com. Copy merch. This one, the Betos, the hats. We got some new shirts dropping. Other SS clones, so stay tuned for that. That one's gonna give you a couple more entries for the giveaway, but we'll let y'all know when they come out. But either way, special shout out to the homie Beto Hinojosa here in Fort Worth, Texas. Won the giveaway, the official on the gas second giveaway. One sick truck. He's gonna have fun with it. Every time we come back here to Dallas, I mean this is Dallas, but I can't say Dallas Fort Worth.
Come on.
I don't know what the whole beef is between. Yeah, to me, it's the same shit.
You know the truck tiny.
But yeah, so when we come back, you know, you'll probably see it at the On The Gas booth or whatnot, and you'll see it out here. So yeah, we'll holler at y'all. We got a long trip back home. Like I said, bro, congratulations. Ahí estamos.
Thanks for everything.
Yeah, thank y'all. Ahí estamos. Mucho gusto.
Yeah, bro, otra vez ahí estamos. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
With us in the truck.
We just delivered the truck.
Congratulations to Beto Hinojosa. We just delivered it here in Fort Worth, Texas.
Where?
Fort Worth, Texas.
Fourth.
Remember to shop onthegas.com for your chance to win. On the gas.
You're burning out.
It's a fucking Tahoe, güey. Oh, no, it's another one. No, other niggas are coming down here, dog. Oye?
Word spread, dog.
Stop sign, cuz. Stop sign.
Fuck the stop sign. There's a little takeover right here under the bridge.
Por eso, they probably seen the trailer and they called everybody shit.
A ver, toda la clica atrás.
Si viene toda la clica, like 4 or 5 trees back here.
¿Me están protegiendo o qué?
You smell the fucking rubber.
Es caravana, mira.
Mira la clica.
Oh, it smells like burnt tire.
Alright guys, this is your boy Tiny. We finally made it back from Fort Worth, Texas. We dropped off the giveaway. Special shout out to Beto. We showed up, he had some carnitas right there, he had some barbecue for us. We met some people out there, good people. Congratulations to him. So we're back here at the shop. We left here earlier like at 12 and it is now 10 p.m. and we just showed up. Don't forget, we have giveaway number 3. in action as we speak. His truck is a white, as you can see, I don't have to explain it. It's a white cat eye, SS Chrome. My boy Beto here. What all you plan on doing to it, Beto?
A lot of things. But first the wheels.
First the wheels.
So y'all stay tuned for that. It should be here in a couple weeks. It's good, we gotta cut the rear end. It's not like we just go slap the wheels on and that's it. We gotta measure, cut rear end. Luckily we already got the drop. We already got tubs and the big C-Nogs. So we just need to measure the rear end, cut it, slap the wheels, and then we go from there.
Yeah, as you've seen in other previous videos, we do have the wheels already here. But when they arrive, we're missing one. It happens. But we got the other one coming.
Yeah, it got lost.
It got lost in shipping and whatnot. It is getting some intro wheels. We just don't go with regular wheels. It has to be top of the line wheels. They're intro wheels. Remember, shoponthegas.com.
Vamos a enseñárselos, güey.
You wanna
Por si
go?
no los han visto.
Oh.
That's the front.
You gotta make your little sound,
This is the back.
Exquisite.
Yeah. It's quality. Yeah, we don't fuck around here.
The wheel combo is a 24 in the front and 26 by 12 by 10 in the back.
Yeah,
26 by 10 in the back.
Yeah.
Reverse, no, regular lip.
No, regular lip, max lip. We got 4-inch back space in the back. We got the 4-inch back space in the back. So we got like 5 3/4 lip in the for the front.
Let these people know who made these wheels.
Intro wheels.
Intro wheels.
Shout out to Intro Wheels.
Mr. Intro.
Gracias por la cena, ¿verdad? Que era? Por los mariscos. Cuando
And then the tour at the shop. We had a
What, he
tour
fed
at
you?
the shop.
Yeah, he took us to, no sé,
Yeah, he took us out
mariscos.
to you, bro.
That's fucked
Oh
up.
yeah, Tiny.
I told you, let's
I was
go.
here in Houston.
Doing what?
Nada. Fucking around looking for cover wrecks and shit. Yeah, pero estos son los rines. Va a estar bien perra la motherfucker. Va a estar más perra que la guinda, güey.
Yeah. Well, I mean, every build has to be a little bit better. I mean, the giveaway number 2, we started with number 1. It was nice.
It was
Number
practical.
yeah.
Practical drop.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
set of wheels. Not too big, not too small.
Number 2 was bagged out.
Yeah.
You know, clean bagged out truck. Number 3 is a sporty build. Sporty build is gonna get a heck of a good sound system.
Yeah.
We're gonna do something different with the sound system.
Yeah. We're gonna get crazy with the sound
Yeah.
system, so it's gonna bump.
Yeah. So make sure, shoponthegas.com. Every $10 you spend gains you 1 entry. We also got some special giveaway shirts coming out pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. We'll probably do a little special entries for that one or something. Also, I've been receiving a lot of messages. Well, us, we have been receiving a lot of messages on Instagram, social media, emails regarding your merch. We are shipping your merch. We are shipping every day. We have staff in there working 12 hours a day.
We have a crew.
We have a whole crew in there working 6 days a week, 12 hours a day, getting the orders out. So please be patient with us. We are working, doing our best to get those items out to you guys. You are going to get the items. Just be patient with us. And it is the holidays as well, so COVID, everything has an effect on us getting the merch to get it back to you guys.
Yeah.
So please be patient with us on that part. And like I said, shop now. You could be the lucky winner. The guy we just dropped off the truck spent $52 and won a $35,000 truck. You could be the next winner.
No, pero sí hay. Síganos en las páginas de redes sociales. Saludos. Toda la raza de México.
Toda la raza de Culiacán, allá,
Culiacán, Guadalajara, Monterrey.
Monterrey,
Jalisco.
Honduras,
Sí, Salvador.
Salvador, viva Salvador, peace, I don't know how you...
Ah, te gustan, ya eres. Ya lo tengo.
Hasta los Canadian people,
Yeah.
shout out to all my Canadian fans out
Cali,
there.
Dallas, Fort Worth,
Yeah.
Fort
Fort Worth. Pero anyways, yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Drop a comment down below of what you think or what you want to see done to this truck. We'll maybe take your suggestions and actually do it to the truck. So make sure you drop a comment. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you want to see. We'll put it out there.